Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Infobooth 19. Today we are going to see one chill out recipe which is icy watermelon and watermelon popsicle. So we are going to do it in two ways. One using watermelon, how to prepare simple popsicle, and other one the watermelon icy watermelon. So it is some different type of recipe. It will be very tasty. It kind of ice. However, you're eating some flavored ice, that kind of feel will come. It is very good for summer and it is very interesting. Surely everybody will love it and it's very easy to prepare. And let's get into the recipe. To start with, I have taken some half watermelon. I have de-seeded, I have removed all the seeds and I have chopped into small pieces and kept. So you can use half watermelon for that. So I'm not going to consume completely. I'm going to take only 1 cup for both the recipes. I'll show you how to prepare. So for preparing the first recipe, which is icy watermelon, I have taken 1 cup of watermelon in a saucepan and then you can heat it. So either you can chop into small pieces and you can put in pan, or you can just poke it and you can make it into small pieces. You can just cut and make it into small pieces. So in this way, if we cook, it will be more flavor will come. So once it starts leaving water from inside, you can add 1 tablespoon of sugar. So the sugar quantity depends on how much sweetness you need. If watermelon itself is more sweet, you can add very less amount of sugar, like half a tablespoon would be more than enough. If watermelon is not sweet, you can add 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. Then I have added 2 pudina leaves. So this mint leaves, if we add, what will happen is it enhances more flavor. So this mint and watermelon, or the combination with lemon, so this all is very good summer recipes and it will give more freshness. So that's why we are adding 2 mint leaves. Don't add more, it will become overpowering. So you can just add 2 mint leaves, that would be more than enough. Continue cooking. So once you start giving it a mix, all the water from watermelon will come out and the pieces, if you see, it becomes softer. So once it gets softer, it took for me around 2 to 3 minutes, that's all. So now you can turn off the stove and you can cool it down completely. That's all. We didn't add anything else, only mint and sugar we have added. So once it got cooled down completely, transfer into a mixture jar, and I have added some half a tablespoon of fresh cream. So I will give you the link of how to prepare fresh cream at home. It's easily. So this I have posted along with my homemade vanilla ice cream recipe. You can check out that video for how to prepare fresh cream or malai in home itself. So give it a mix and just grind it well to a fine watery consistency. I have not added any water. So whatever the water coming from watermelon only is the liquid. Don't add water, otherwise the taste will get diluted and it will not taste good. So you can transfer into a glass tiffin box or whatever the mold or whatever the tiffin box you have. You can just transfer into it. Just close the lid and keep it in freezer. You should keep it in freezer for some 4 to 6 hours minimum. So in parallelly, I'll show you how to prepare popsicle. So for popsicle, I have taken 1 cup of watermelon in a mixture jar, followed by half a tablespoon of sugar I have added. So sugar you can increase or decrease as per your taste buds. So after adding this watermelon and sugar, then 2 pudina leaves or mint leaves you can just add to it. So I have added a pinch of salt, because if you add a salt, it will enhance the flavor and the taste will be too good. So you can add a pinch of salt and you can just grind it well to a smooth paste. Don't add any water when grinding. So whatever the water coming out from watermelon, so that itself is more than sufficient. So finally what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon so that more flavor will come, and I have chopped some pudina pieces and I have put it inside, and some watermelon pieces as well. So when you're eating that popsicle, when the watermelon bits come, it will be very tasty and it will be very good to eat. The texture will be very good. So mix it well. Now we are going to put in the mold. If you don't have popsicle mold in home, don't worry. I am showing you like how to prepare in whatever the tumbler you have. So you can just use it a glass and then you can pour it well. Don't fill it completely till the rim, like you can fill it up to 75%. Just distribute and fill it in all glasses. Either you can use steel glass or you can use glass as well. So So don't add stick now, because since the watermelon juice, it is like watery consistency, even if you add stick it will not stay. So what we are going to do is we are going to keep it in freezer for some 1 hour or 2 hours. Then you can place the stick, insert the stick, and then you can keep it for another 4 to 5 hours. So totally it might need like around 6 to 8 hours for it to get set. So after 1 hour you can place the stick. So now let's see, like I have taken the icy watermelon. Let's see, now you can open the lid and you can put it upside down in a plate or something. Slowly you can thaw using your hand so that the temperature will come down and it will get unmolded easily, and you can just place it there. You can do it carefully. In case if it is too much frozen and if it is not coming out, you can just put the tiffin box in water, show it in water, and then if you remove, it will come nicely. So the taste will be very different. This is icy watermelon. I don't know, name I only have kept because it was tasting like some creaminess also, cream taste also coming, and some icy texture also coming. It is very different and it is more refreshing. If you just eat a small bit of piece, it is very refreshing and it keeps your body cool. Since we have added mint and all, it is very refreshing. So you can place one mint and you can decorate it, and you can just cut into small pieces and you can just have it. It is very interesting. Now we will see like how the popsicle has set or not. Just you can use your hand to give some body warm temperature so that the popsicle will come out easily. Or the second method is you can just place it in a bowl of water and you can show it. Don't show it for longer time, it will get melted. So you can just show it for 10 seconds and it will be ready. See how beautifully it has come out. You don't need a popsicle stand to do this. Mold you don't need. You can just do with existing whatever we have in home. We can just do it in the glass itself. It's very simple. It doesn't take much time and it is very interesting. So in this lockdown period and also in this hot summer season, you make this and give. Everybody will surely love it. And when you're eating the popsicle, you get the bits of watermelon pieces and the mint flavor. It is like taste is awesome and more refreshing. If you like my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. If you try this recipe, share the photo to the email ID given below. Always be happy, stay positive and spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.